How to buy a DevAI token. So this token came under the symbol of DevAI. Now, before we start, this is not financial advice. I am not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. And also, there is a referral code down in the description. You can get free money rewards on crypto with the best referral code. Simply goes below. Fund your account and enjoy the benefits. Check them out in the description. So before going on by this token, make sure to check the REFERRAL account and keep following the updates about this token. So this token, as you can see, it's available on the screener. It's created 11 hours ago and increased by 9,000% in the last 24 hours. So the liquidity here unlocked by 99%. That's mean your investment in the safe place. Now, to be able to buy this token, but before that, as you can see, this token trending number 1 on Solana section. So to be able to buy this token, it's easy and simple. Just copy the token address from here. This token address, as you can see, it's under the Solana token. Now open your friends wallet for that. Click on swap here and make sure that you have enough Solana in wallet. Now click here and paste the token address, as you can see. So this is our token. Click on it and here type how much you want to buy. So here we'll be able to see how much you receive that token. After that, select provider, for example, Jupiter, and make sure to read all of that information here and click on swap. And you will be able after that to be able to redirect to the Jupiter provider page to be able to buy this token. So if you face an issue, go back to this page and switch the slippage from here or custom it, because most of the issues came from the slippage, and after that you can be able to buy this token without an issue. So this is how to buy a DevAI token. If you find this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.